Today we are, let's clean this, changing out a high limit switch. This one's broke. It's a 450 Fahrenheit, and we have a universal one, and it looks the exact same. Got this on Amazon, and this is gonna work perfectly. I already tested it, so let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so we got our high limit switch out already. As you can see, we're going to be going in right behind this one, plugging her in right down here. We just got to get this bad boy off real quick. Alright, here you can see the issue. It broke right at the temperature probe. So, we'll go ahead, take this up, get our new one in there. Alright, so we got the new one installed. Route it down here, go up right there, and this is it, right back here. Here's our new one. We got the pilot light depress. Let it go. Rub and pop it. Blow and pop it. Few more mechanics.